Okay, so let's use Code Anywhere to learn about databases. I'm going to sign up. I've gone to the Code Anywhere website and I'm going to use my Backwell email, appleschool.net, and I'm going to create a password. I'm not a robot, and I'm going to register. And it's going to sign me up straight away, straight to the editor. I'm going to need to confirm I've received this, so I'm going to check in my inbox, Code Anywhere, there we go. And they've sent me a verification link here. I'm going to copy that, paste it in, and I've verified my account. Okay, so now I can create my container. A container is like a fake computer. I'm going to run a PHP 7 fake computer, which is going to pretend to run the Linux operating system CentOS. It's going to run the MySQL database. It's going to run the Apache web server, and Apache will have PHP enabled. PHP is a server-side scripting language, a programming language. Okay, so I'm going to create my pretend computer, my virtual PC, and once that's happened, I am going to turn my container on. Oh, still complaining about it not working. So fun container cannot run. Fun container is not turned on. Turned on. Start. Oh, there you go. Starting. Run project. Okay, so it's working now. Fun container is working. I'm going to right click on my container, FunPlay, and I'm going to open up the secure shell, the SSH terminal. So this is a remote connection to my virtual computer. And here we go, it's a Unix operating system. It tells me what computer I'm on. And I am going to type in the command MySQL, so computer run MySQL, and it wants to know what user I want to use. So I use the option -u, and I type in the user root, which is, the super user. I want to be the root all-powerful user. And there we go, I'm now connected to a MySQL server, and I've got the MySQL prompt here. I'm no longer in the shell. I am now going to ask the computer to use some structured query language, so I'm going to use uppercase, and I'm going to say show databases. And there we go, it's shown me that there are two databases already. There's the information schema and the MySQL schema, the system-based ones. So I'm going to create my own database now. So I'm going to create database, and I'm going to give it a name, and I'll call it DB demo. I end with a semicolon to tell MySQL I've finished my line of code. OK, affected. Okay, one row affected. So in the MySQL database, I've added another database, a new schema. Okay, so if I show, if I press the up arrow, show database semicolon, I now have 3 databases. Okay, next stage, I am going to use, capitals, use DB demo semicolon. Change database. I'm going to go show tables. Need to be in uppercase. Well, it should be in uppercase. Show tables semicolon. And there are no tables. I need to make a table. That's my next stage.